If you love bakeries and you're local to Edinburgh or even to Scotland, then you've probably heard of Lannan and its insane queues. I've been once before and it was definitely worth the wait. But that time I think I got quite lucky as well, where it was only about a 10-minute wait. But I've just driven by and there's no one waiting outside, so I'm gonna take advantage of this and see what they have today. It's probably because the weather is absolutely horrendous, but yeah, as I say, I'm just gonna take advantage and take a look. By some miracle, it wasn't that busy, which is really nice. I just walked right in and ordered. And the last time I was at Lannan, I went for lots of fancy cakes. So this time I've just gone for a humble cinnamon bun, one of their more plain ones, because I think that is a good judgment as to how their pastry is. And then I went next door to their pantry, and funnily enough, someone I know was doing some social media content for them. So we have known each other through the internet for maybe like 6 years or more now, but this was the first time that we've ever seen each other in 3D, which was nice. But I picked up this kombucha. It's sea buckthorn flavor, which I'm very intrigued about, and it's made in Edinburgh in small batches, so that's a treat for at home because I don't have a bottle opener and I didn't want to drink it right now. And I also picked up a lemon squeezer in the shape of a fish because I've seen that in a few places and I know that they're kind of hard to get your hands on as far as like wholesale goes, so I yeah, just picked one up. I really don't need it, but also at the same time I need it. Let's do a quick taste test before I drive away. Beautiful, also beautiful. It's never flattering eating on camera, but point proven. It's very chewy, which I wasn't expecting because the bottom seemed like it would be more caramelized. But it's really reminiscent of the types of cinnamon buns you find in Copenhagen, which is my preference. I don't really like North American or British style cinnamon buns that much. I definitely would prefer if it were a cardamom bun, which is what I initially thought it was when I ordered. But it is lovely. I have been rudely reminded, I forget every time, but driving and parking in Edinburgh is the worst. I always think that Glasgow is a nightmare to drive in, but Edinburgh has so many more one-way systems and so much more resident permit parking, which is a good thing. I'm glad for the residents that they have that, but it does mean that you're circling round and round and round and round. But let's go see some more shops. When I was coming out of the cookbook shop, I bumped into my friend Sophie, which was so nice. Scotland is so small, literally can't go anywhere without seeing people that I know. But she also is trying to get into the film and TV industry, so it was nice to compare some jobs and opportunities coming up. I don't have many friends who are in that industry, so it's always nice to have some confirmation that we're on the same journey. But I just went to go pick up my new passport, which is why I'm in Edinburgh today. That was the whole purpose. Cancelled my old passport, and I'm feeling so relieved because I have been losing sleep over this the last few weeks. My passport has taken longer than what they said it would, and I'm traveling quite soon, so I am feeling so happy, and I think I'm going to sleep like a baby tonight because I have it in my hands. It was super quiet in there, which also was really weird because when I went in for my initial appointment, it was absolutely insane. So that at least was a bit more relaxed, and it's so funny comparing the photos because I don't think that I have changed in appearance all that much. But when I look at my new photo compared to my old photo from 10 years ago, I have such a baby face and my face has gotten so much like longer. But I guess that's just it. You age whether you like it or not. I'm gonna go see a different friend now, and I don't know if I'm gonna do anything else while I'm in Edinburgh, but yeah, at least I've gotten what I came here for.